Hello friends, Government of India is giving up to 15 crore unsecured loans for manufacturing and service sectors. Advertisement carrying details was published in all the leading newspapers. At MSME World we are getting lot of inquiries regarding this loan. So we made this video for the benefit of all those entrepreneurs. Friends, if you haven't yet subscribed for our channel, please subscribe now. This assistance is first of its kind venture capital fund launched by Government of India to promote entrepreneurship in India among SC and BC entrepreneurs by providing concessional finance to them. This loan is provided by IFCI Venture Capital Fund, a subsidiary of IFCI, Industrial Finance Corporation of India Limited. Implementing agency for this scheme is Department of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India. The main conditions for availing loan under this scheme is the business must be existing for the last 12 months. There should be 60% shareholding in that business by SC or BC entrepreneurs for the last 12 months. And the company must be a private limited company or a limited company. Existing proprietorships and partnership business can also apply for this loan, but after they get the approval, they have to convert their business into private limited or a limited company. IFCI is giving loans under two categories, for SC entrepreneurs and BC entrepreneurs. So for SC entrepreneurs, the loan amount is minimum 20 lakh rupees and maximum is 15 crore rupees. For loan up to 5 crore rupees, SC entrepreneur must contribute 25% of the loan amount as own contribution. And if the loan amount is above 5 crores and up to 15 crores, his own contribution must be 50% of the loan amount. Same way, if it is BC entrepreneur, the loan amount is from 20 lakhs to 5 crores. If the loan is up to 1 crore rupees, his own contribution is 25% of the loan amount. And if the loan amount is above 1 crore and maximum up to 5 crores, his own contribution will be 50% of the loan amount. Main features of this loan is rate of interest. The rate of interest is only 8% per annum. And the loan tenure is up to 8 years, including moratorium. You can avail moratorium based on your project report. Maximum moratorium is up to 18 months. This loan is only a term loan. This loan can be used only for expansion purposes like construction of new factory, purchase of new machinery or takeover of some existing businesses. And another feature is there is no additional collateral is required for this loan. And this loan cannot be used for working capital purposes. Details about this loan is already published in newspapers. The last date for applying for this loan is 30th June 2020. SC entrepreneurs can apply online by visiting www.vcfsc.in. They can visit that website. There is an online application. They can submit their application there. For BC entrepreneurs, they have to send their application through an email. They have to send the application to FUNDSBC, fundsbc@ifciventure.com. So BC entrepreneurs must send by email and SC entrepreneurs can apply through online by visiting www.vcfsc.in website. They can apply before 30th June of 2020. And they have to also prepare a project report and feasibility report along with this application when they are submitting this online application or by sending when they are sending through email. If you are having any doubts about the scheme, you can visit IFCI Venture Fund website or you can call the numbers given in the advertisement. You can also send a mail to us at msmeworld@hotmail.com. We can definitely support you. We will also help you in preparation of project report and feasibility report. Thank you very much. and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you again, friends.